People are being called instigators and agitators because they record police. But let me ask you something, folks. What happens when it's your turn to get pulled over? It's always back to blue until it happens to you. People just want to be left alone. And I'm not talking about those that commit crimes. Police get paid to stop those folks. But when you're not doing anything wrong and a police officer wants to bully you, I personally recommend you recording your interactions, not just with police, but any and all public officials, the DMV, everywhere you go. Check out this video and you'll know why I say that.
Giving you the opportunity to pass me. You want to tailgate me in a police vehicle? Go ahead.
You're going 3 miles under the speed limit. You can drive.
55 is the speed limit.
53. My camera
is that illegal?
You were going 53.
Is that illegal?
Yes, it is, because you're driving under the speed limit. You're not doing the speed limit.
Speed?
Do me a favor, just do the speed limit, okay?
Speed
Thank you.
limit. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Here's something else that needs to be talked about. Police identifying upon request. If you are pulled over, if police are asking you questions, first and foremost, make sure they identify properly. It is in their policy to do so. So why do we keep seeing police officers not identifying upon request? They don't brush up on their policies. And another thing that we're finding out through these videos is they don't know the First Amendment of the Constitution. And folks, the Constitution was written to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over you. Well, it's no wonder they don't want to learn it. So it's now upon you to know it and understand it, and always record the police like we said earlier. Keep watching.
You're refusing to identify after pulling me over. What is your name and badge number? Violating citizens' rights. I'm filing a fucking complaint. Piece of shit.
At the end of the day, if you don't record police, it's always going to be their word against yours. And guess who the judge and jury is going to believe? We pay police officers to do a job, and they swore an oath to defend the Constitution and the rights of the people. So why do they feel they are allowed to bully people? And let's keep in mind something, folks. When I say this, I don't say that all police officers are doing this. But when one police officer does this and nothing happens, it makes all the police officers look bad because they all wear the same uniform. And the people seem to trust the police. One of the things that we keep seeing is police officers keep making mistakes and they keep losing that trust. But what happens when they lose that trust, folks? They gotta create propaganda like Back the Blue, support the police, first responders, heroes. What I don't understand is if you're already getting paid to do a job that you applied for, what's with all the praise? The truth is, police officers make mistakes on the daily. A lot of times these aren't mistakes. I'd like to think that police officers are out there doing a good job, but that's not always the case. Understand that if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. That's why this channel is growing rapidly, because people are actually learning their rights. And if you go through the comment section, you'll know what I mean. I personally like to go out and record police and ask questions. I always try to inspire other folks to do so as well. So when you guys do, and you have a video, and you create a channel, Copy your video links and send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. Let us know if you want us to highlight your videos and your channels, or let us know if you'd like to stay anonymous. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to this channel. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey, why is he driving so fast?
Driving fast with no lights on. Look at that.